So, the meaning of entrepreneurship. So, the first meaning of entrepreneurship is identifying opportunities, organizing an enterprise, and creating for economic growth. Combination of innovating, risk taking, and combining factors of production. And third one is doing things in a new and better way. Decision making under the conditions of uncertainty. So only the entrepreneurship will do the justice for doing things in a new way, that is nothing but innovation and better way. Which way is better for production of goods or services, or decision making in all the matters is included in one and only person in known as the entrepreneurship, and making under the conditions of there is uncertainty. We have to pay for all the factors of production, and we have to wait for the profit or loss. It may be dependent upon the capacity of the entrepreneur. So in simple, entrepreneurship is nothing but neither a science nor an art. So, in simple term, we can give conclusion to the entrepreneurship. It is neither a science nor an art. So, it is knowledge based, means to an end, and knowledge, putting knowledge in practice. So, by all these three regions, we may conclude that it is neither a science nor an art. It is depend upon the practical knowledge, theoretical knowledge, knowledge based, means to an end, and from the beginning, that means from the beginning to the end it continues. So practice, experience, knowledge, decision making, so we can conclude that neither a science nor an art. So entrepreneurship is nothing but the creation of business opportunity, and also the management skills and communication skills, utilizing the human resources, project fruition. That means, so entrepreneurship is nothing but creating of business opportunities to everyone, and management is a skill. It is nothing but works done with the others. It is a skill. Management is a skill. Manager functions this type of a skill. So communicative skills. So management and the business is nothing but communicating with others and selling goods and services or services, etc. So communication skills includes a part of the entrepreneurship. Utilizing human resources. So there are so many resources, and human resources are very high in India, and utilizing of human resources in a better way is known as the entrepreneurship. So preparing various projects and giving fruits of those projects is known as fruition. So the in simple, as a sixth point, we can conclude that entrepreneurship is the profit maximization. So business itself, its aim is profitization. That's why entrepreneurship is nothing but the profit maximization. Production and distribution of goods and services. So entrepreneurship is nothing but the production and distribution of goods and services. Accepting challenges, risk bearing. These are all the functions and qualities of entrepreneur, and the process is known as entrepreneurship. So in entrepreneurship, all the things are included. Ability to minimize factors of production. So controlling the wastage and minimizing the factors of production, and exploit advantage and respond the qualification and qualities. These are all known as the entrepreneurship. And now let us know the relation between the entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So these are all the qualities and features of entrepreneur, and these are all the qualities of entrepreneurship. Now let us know the first one. Entrepreneur is the person, it is the subject, whereas entrepreneurship is the process and creation of output. Object process, subject process is the entrepreneur, and object process is known as entrepreneurship. The second one, entrepreneur is the organizer, entrepreneurship is the organization. So entrepreneur is the innovator, and whereas entrepreneurship is innovation. So in simple, entrepreneur is the singular one and entrepreneurship is the plural one. So risk bearer is the entrepreneur, risk bearing is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur is the motivator and entrepreneurship gives motivation. Entrepreneur is the creator and the entrepreneurship is the creation. Visualizer, entrepreneur is the visualizer. Vision is known as entrepreneurship. Entrepreneur is the leader and entrepreneurship is the leadership. And entrepreneur is the imitator and the entrepreneurship is the imitation. So entrepreneur precedes the entrepreneurship. So this is about the relation between entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. Role of entrepreneurship in economic development. So entrepreneur plays a vital role in economic development, and it varies from various economies, depends on material resources. So there are three types of economies: underdeveloped, developing, and backward. So the economy system also depends upon the entrepreneur's ability and the economic development. And there are some other factors: industrial climate, responsiveness of political systems. These are all the took very important role of the entrepreneur and its relation to the economic development. For industrial decentralization, entrepreneurship is needed. For removal of regional imbalances, balanced regional development is needed. So the role of entrepreneurship in economic development may be divided as: the entrepreneur promotes capital formation by mobilizing the ideal saving of the public. So the people are very idle and their savings are termed and transferred as the capital, and the entrepreneur is known as the capital farmer by mobilizing the ideal savings of the public and people. So entrepreneur helps for large scale employment. He gives employment opportunity, he reduces the unemployment problem and socio-economic problems, he creates balanced regional development. Entrepreneurs are must for creating regional balance development. Help to reduce the concentration of economic power. The more economic power is under the people of 10% people in India, so it was redistributed to all, and the concentration of economic power may be divided into decentralization of economic power. Stimulates the equitable redistribution of wealth, income, political power of the country. So Entrepreneur encourages effective resource mobilization of capital, skill, and